Hello everyone, my name is Ben, I'm from Tuin. We know that ordering your new log cabin or summer house is the really exciting part, but today we're going to walk you through, based on our own experiences, what preparation you will need to think about ahead of time. First things first is the base, or hard standing. This is what the cabin will sit directly on top of, separating it from the ground. A base, as far as we're concerned, can be one of three things: a concrete slab, a patio base, or even a raised timber frame. Whichever one you choose, it's important that it's 100% flat and level throughout. If it's not, the installation itself will not go smoothly, and in the future, you'll almost certainly have problems as the cabin settles into position. Whilst doing the preparation for the base, consider future-proofing, such as installing electrical, plumbing, or even an Ethernet cable, so you can install these amenities in the building later. You may not even think you need them at this point, but rooms have a tendency to change purpose over time. So it's easier and perhaps even cheaper to have them installed now rather than later. Next, let's talk about delivery. The log cabins or summer houses are delivered on very large trucks, and on the back, they'll have a demountable Moffett forklift to offload. To ensure delivery goes as smoothly as possible, consider your access to your property. At the end of the day, you know your area better than we do. If you happen to live in an area where heavy goods vehicles cannot gain access, just let us know prior so we can do some checks and make sure it won't be a problem on the day. If you have any doubts or concerns about delivery, just contact us prior. We might ask you for pictures and then we can check it for you ahead of delivery. Once the delivery has been dropped off, now the fun part begins of unbanding it and carrying it from the front drive to the rear of the garden. This bit can be tricky due to the length of the parts involved in the pallet. Before it even arrives, consider access to the back garden from the front. Can you carry very long, awkward, somewhat heavy items, and will they fit through that access? In some cases, customers have had to carry it through the house, but again, if there's any tight angles, that might be a problem. It's always worth checking prior to delivery. Like most projects, preparation is key. If you have any follow-up questions, then please contact us. My name is Ben, and I'll see you on the next one.